It's about to eat us. Good afternoon, guys. Today is Sunday, September the 3rd, and you can see we're still cutting corn. Yesterday we didn't cut anything. Well, we did cut one truckload, but it was kind of too wet because probably around 5 o'clock yesterday morning, a little shower came over farm, and then we try to cut around 9 or 10, and it kept little bitty showers kept coming over, so we stopped and we went to the grain bins and did some work there, and then around 4:30 yesterday afternoon we tried again, and it was like on the verge of, yeah, we can cut, or no, we can't. So we just decided we're gonna knock off early and we'll start back today. And so far so good. We're in field 19. That's our average so far. And this is irrigated with a poly pipe. So what do you want to say? Hello. Is that you? That you? Anyway, so we are trying. We'll see how far we can get today, but we will for sure not finish. But we might have a late night. We might have a late night because there is some rain chances next week, and we need to get back to soybeans, so that we can get those harvested that has been sprayed. I don't know why we're getting all this trash in. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what and how I adjust it. We can't limit the trash intake, so I guess Combine is doing a good job so far. Gave me a hard time when we started on the Hens place to get it set right, but it's set pretty good now, and even with all this trash entering the combine, we still do a decent job. So I'd rather take in the trash than to have a lot of kernels on the ground. I was trying to run my header too fast and opening my deck plates too wide to get rid of the trash, and in the meantime I'm dropping kernels on the ground. So just getting started over here in field 8. That's the one where every other pass is the same variety. So brown ones, we got a Dyna-Gro that we only planted the 2 varieties, if y'all can remember. So this is it. Every other pass we did different, just to see yield wise. So that's what we're going to be watching. Right now we are on a Dyna-Gro. Okay, so right now we are in the decaf. See what it does. Pretty much the same yield, maybe a couple bushels off, but this decaf, it feeds not as good as the Dyna-Gro. Y'all see all that material coming in and it keeps choking up on this snout right in front of me. I like cutting the Dyna-Gro. It just, I don't know, it traces better and it just, everything is smoother. But they are yielding the same. Couple bushels difference. So we're cutting away. So we are in field 9 and 10 over here. Stuff is holding in pretty good. I forgot to tell you all, we started with the Pivot Bio and the Monty stuff. This is the stuff we're cutting right now. This is all treated, it's yielding really, really good. Field 8 average 240 overall. It was for a long time it was at 245. So 3 more passes of this treated stuff, then we're gonna move over there. We got 6 or something passes that's untreated. All we did was plant it and we side dress it with normal 32%. We didn't add in any Monties or Pivot Bio at planting, nor with side dressing. So that is, so we just planted, sprayed it, fertilized it, that's it. So we are getting into that stuff. We got a rough idea of what all this other... Okay, my camera died on me, so like I said, 3 more passes of the treated stuff, then we got a check strip with none. We just planted it. We're gonna go cut it. We'll see if we see a difference. I hope we do, because the stuff that is treated so far is doing really good. We are surprised. So 3 more passes, we'll get into that. Clay Naums from Monties is over here. Well, he's not working for them anymore. He moved to Concept Agritech, basically a different company but same stuff. But he's still over here to check the trials, and we appreciate him for coming out and be out here at 8:30 at night. So yeah, we probably could have chosen a better time, but he's out here and we appreciate that. So let's get it done. We're gonna try and push a little hard tonight. There is a chance of rain for tomorrow at 1. It's like 40% scattered rain showers. There's a good chance that we can finish tomorrow. If the rain holds off, I'm pretty sure we will finish. If not, we're gonna rain out again. Hopefully not. So we have a bunch of trucks over here. We're gonna push a little tonight. See if we can get some stuff done. So we are cutting this untreated check. So far I don't really see a difference. Our average might have dropped maximum 2 bushels, but so far I don't really see a difference in it, which you can't, chances of you seeing a big difference the very first year you're using something is not even 20%. So yeah, I don't think there's anything in the world that'll make a 20 bushel difference the very first year. Although according to the books, to pay for the 120 acres of Monty stuff, the scorn is supposed to make, or should make, 12 bushels more for us to get a big ROI, or even just break even. So yeah, I mean, that's according to the books, but in reality very rare that it will happen. But I mean, we are still cutting pretty good. Like I said, it might be a couple bushel difference here and there that you're not necessarily going to see, but I'm just happy that we are cutting pretty good corn. That's all I care. So I'll see how nasty I am. That's why I usually do this at night before I get to bed. Then I can go take a shower. But last night we cut a little past 11:30. So spend the night at the lodge. So I'm gonna go take a shower now, and we'll grease this thing up and fill her up and get going. See if we can finish corn today. So we finished field 10, we moved to 6 because this is very heavy, especially down there. And they're calling for rain at 2 o'clock this afternoon. So we got 5 and 7 left, and then part of 11. So I'm getting this field. Hopefully we'll finish it. I really hope so. Then we are better off, because if we get another rain on this field, it's gonna be a muddle down there. Because I can bet you all money it's gonna be soft there anyway. So yeah, and the yield sucks. I don't know if it's just the Dyna-Gro variety, since the decap is a heavy dirt variety and the Dyna-Gro is not. We'll see once we get into the Dyna-Gro a little more, I mean the decap. But this is also corn on corn. That also might have to do something with it, I'm not sure. But yeah, no. Yield sucks pretty bad. And actually this field doesn't call for a whole lot of lime. It's like 0.2 tons, 0.3 tons. So this ground is fairly good, I would say, but the yield is not yet. So hopefully we'll finish on average of at least 200. So we're getting to that heavy part that's always soft, and it doesn't matter what you do. somewhere in this area last year I got this combine stock because my 4-wheel drive didn't work when I had to use it and I got stuck. So anyway, we're still in the 190s. It looks like we're not gonna make the 200s in this field, so I'm gonna have to find out why. Why we didn't make it. I don't know, it might be because of the corn on corn or something, but right here it's starting to get, it is starting to get real soft. I have my 4-wheel drive on just to help me float, and down there we're gonna leave Brennan a little bit for his duck hole. But I think main reason of why this field stays so soft is, first is buckshot. Second is it doesn't have a really good drainage point in that wood line right there. So that's the other reason. So I've banned it right here because I don't want to mess my water furrow up. So we just trying to make as smooth as of turns we can do. Do not leave used rods, because on this field you can't back up into the same track. You will sink about 4 inches. So anyway, got a boss man with me today. Yeah. You tell him you just woke up. Yeah. No, your hands are dirty. Clean your hands. Wipe your hands on a towel. Yeah, he's got my cap looking like a mess. Do it nicely. Oh, but anyway. That rain for 3 o'clock. It's coming. We just need to finish this and we're gonna start on the other ones and keep an eye on the rain. You wanna say hi? Hi. Hi. Well, we're in this last dryland part of field 11, then we have 5 and 7 left, which is about 37 acres, but I don't know. That's gonna catch us. I really hope it'll hold off so we can finish. So we're on a couple acres in field 7. Looks like the weather is holding off so far. Hopefully it'll hold off long enough. But got some really high numbers in this field. This is also treated with a Monty stuff though. We can end corn harvest on that note, I'll be glad. So this field I think is 26 acres, and then that one is like 7-8 acres. Really good. Corn is looking good. So we are racing for a shop. Oh, look at that big cottonmouth. That weather is about to eat us. I'm gonna drop my header and I'm gonna put my combine in the shop. I'm not gonna blow it off. The rain is gonna get us. So race to the shop. We did not finish, unfortunately. We got about 18 acres left. We're back this morning. This afternoon. It's already 12:46. Looks like we didn't get too much rain last night, so we're gonna finish corn. Hopefully, nothing else comes up, but So that is the last irrigated pass over as dry land, unfortunately. Then we got that little 8 acres and then we're done. Still looking good. Let's knock corn out for 2023. So there's that field. Y'all can clearly see what is irrigated and what is not irrigated. So the irrigated stuff averaged 264 and this brought the yield down significantly. Let's see here, 248 because of this dryland stuff. Yeah, so we dropped about 15 bushels. But yeah, that's what irrigated does and non-irrigated. Anyway, on to the last 8 acres. So the average is still getting up there because we've got the inch, but still seems to do decent, pretty good. I'm happy. We left the good for last, or the best for last, I'd say. So this is the field where the polypipe goes right here through the middle in front of us. So that side doesn't really get water, although I just punch random holes just to give it something, but kind of makes a heel right here and it falls off to that side. Pretty good. We have 5 acres left of corn harvest 2023. We're on our last pass. Of corn 2023. Harvest is done in the Delta. Let the header clean out here for a second and we'll be done. So thank everybody that has been watching these videos, been through harvest with us. We appreciate it. We might cut some beans this afternoon. It all depends on what I feel like, but maybe we'll cut some tomorrow. So then we're on to bean harvest, and here in a little bit cotton picking is gonna start, and if I'm not there, I might have to hand my camera off to my brother and let him make y'all some videos about a cotton, and then or maybe I can get over there one day at least and fly the drone and get a pretty good video out for y'all. But I think we're gonna end this video here. We ended on a very good note. I'm happy. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we catch you all on the next one.